Welcome back to Online Tools Master, your one-stop destination for learning amazing online editing tools. Today we're exploring the PNG Revealer created by Browserling, a free browser-based tool that transforms static PNGs into eye-catching GIF animations with unique reveal effects. To try it, open your browser and go to www.onlinepngtools.com, then head over to the PNG Revealer Tool. Here, you can pick your reveal style, set animation duration, and frames. Choose a background color. Add a text overlay, control looping, and even set a transparency color for GIF export. These settings give you complete control over how and when your PNG appears. For our first example, we slowly reveal a funny image of a cow using the mosaic transition style. The PNG is split into blocks that appear in random order, creating a puzzle effect. We set the animation to last 5 seconds with 50 frames, loop it forever, and use red as the transparency color. Once done, just click Save as to download your animated GIF. In this example, we apply the fade transition to Van Gogh's Starry Night. The image starts at 0% opacity over a black background, gradually reaching full visibility over 6 seconds with 30 frames. We set it to loop endlessly for a continuous display and use cyan as the transparency color. When ready, click Save as to get your GIF. Alright, for the last example, we're going to create a fun birthday card. We set a pink background, add the message Happy Birthday in a navy blue Helvetica font, and use the top to bottom wipe reveal mode. The animation runs for 8 seconds with 50 frames and repeats exactly 3 times before stopping. Once you're satisfied, just click Save as to download your greeting card GIF. If you like this tutorial, why not check out our last videos on how to add text to any logo online and how to create black and white stamps. Now it's your turn. Visit onlinepngtools.com, try the PNG Revealer, and make your suspense-filled animations. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Online Tools Master for more powerful tutorials. And hey, keep an eye out for part 2 of this video. We've got more exciting reveal styles and ideas coming your way.